This is Larry Skin's first appearance on dubstv.com down at the Dame District Christmas Market.
It's actually our third year. It's been going great. Like, it's fantastic. It's great to have something so cool and free in the city where people can come and dress up like Santa Claus and party down.
We're selling artisan handcrafted truffles in a variety of flavours. We've got 8 different flavours: almond, orange, mint, coconut, rum, brandy, and then Belgian hot chocolate. It's made with proper Belgian hot chocolate that we bring in, fresh cream, fresh Irish cream.
And you make hot chocolate as well.
Yeah, we make hot chocolate as well.
So for the cold nights, the perfect compliment.
Exactly, and it's proper hot chocolate.
Incredible stalls here. There's incredible musicians. There's incredible music.
It's colourful. They can see it. It has lots of mirror on it. So yeah, they can see it and they all relate to their name as I'm doing the name game thing.
Right.
And
Do
yeah.
you make these things yourself?
Yeah, I do.
Great.
Yeah, so it keeps me busy.
It's Friday the 13th, which is the day it's been launched, and I think somebody came up with a bright idea to bring a bit of luck and a bit of Christmas spirit.
Noon every day.
Noon. The market starts at noon.
Yep, from the 13th to the 22nd.
Right.
And the weekends it runs to 11, and the weekdays it runs to 10.
And there's music on.
Music on every day, and some amazing acts.
So this is called our Tree of Silver.
Right.
And we have lots of lovely mouth-blown glassware on it. Then there we have products for indoors and outdoors for kids, adults, all the big kids around as well.
Best of luck with the rest of this Christmas.
Thank you very
and may
much.
this be going on for many, many years to
Boom.
come.
Yeah, well, at least this one anyway.
Yeah, right.
So, yeah.
Cheers, man.